Hey everyone, Mike Sherry at Sherry Ram. Today I'm showing off this all brand new Ram 5500. This is the biggest truck offered by Ram, and it's upfitted with a Knapheide service body on it. So let's check it out. Starting here with the service body in the rear. This service body is the metal in it. It is steel. It's galvannealed steel. What galvannealed steel, I'm sure you heard of galvanized. It's like that, but it's stronger. And it's able to take a paint finish on it like this. This is a 6-layer paint finish on both the outside and the inside of the galvannealed steel here. This is the flooring on it is steel, and the actual seam is up in here, similar to how they would do a bathtub. What that means is the rust spot, or typically if they weld it down here, that's the first spot to rust. It's not going to do it on this truck. Knapheide's been doing service bodies for decades, longer than most of us have been alive, and they really know what they're doing here. Built-in backup camera hooks in the 5-inch display in the cab there. 7-pin wiring and 4-pin wiring. It's got the Class 5 receiver. It's a 2.5-incher, rated at 2,000-pound tongue weight, 20,000-pound towing capacity there. LED taillights. This is the 197-inch wheelbase, again the largest Ram 5500, 84 inches from the back of the cab to the rear axle here. 20-gauge double-walled doors here. Again, the Galvannealed, very strong. If I try to pry on it, they don't bend. They're assisted at opening and closing with this spring system here. So not only does it hold it open on a windy day, it actually will hold it closed as well if it's not latched all the way. It has galvanized shelving in here, rated to hold up to 250 pounds, and it is fully adjustable. There's multiple different spots you can put in there. This protects the rear tail lights there, so your tools, if they bang into it, it's not going to hurt them. Got your workstation here. Nice flip out there. The hinges on these doors are stainless steel. Fuel fill here. This has the upgraded wheels on it. Commercial grade tires there. These doors are all locking. They lock with the key fob actually from Ram, and there's also a Knapheide key fob too, and there is individual locks there if you want to use those. This is a crew cab. Biggest cab in the industry, has the rubber floor mat that's one piece front to back, so you can literally hose this out. Has the work grade vinyl, so it's going to really wear really good. It's a tough vinyl. Seating for up to 6 in this, powered by the 6.7 liter Cummins engine. Guys on the job, the Cummins engine is the tried and true engine. I know a lot of other brands have had difficulties over the years with their engines, major difficulties. Ram and Cummins have been partnering together for a long time to build the most workhorse truck out there on the market. It's a quiet diesel as well. You can easily have a conversation in here while you're going down the road. Go over some of the options here. Again, you can set 3 across the front here. It does have the keyless entry, and then the Knapheide also has theirs as well. 4-wheel drive selector down here. It's manual. The mirrors do flip out for towing. They are defrosting. They are power windows as well, and locks. Automatic headlights. Digital cluster up here. Cruise control on the steering wheel, as well as control for your hands-free connectivity, so you can talk on this car's audio system on your cell phone hands-free. Gearing selector here. Again, the 5-inch radio that acts as your backup monitor. That's super nice on a truck this big to when you're backing up. This is an option here. Has the electronic brake controller built in. Auxiliary ports here for different lighting and things of that sort that you would like to add on. Exhaust brake, tow haul button. Down through here, it's got the USBs, 2 USB, 2 USB-Cs, and an auxiliary port. Overall, a super comfortable driving truck. Full capabilities as well. The Ram and the Cummins have the longest oil change interval. I believe it's 12,500 miles, so less time in the shop, more time on the job, right? We here at Sherry Chrysler, we also value that. That's why we upfit these trucks with the service body already on it, so we can get you on the job quicker. You're not waiting around for months for a service body. So we have these in stock now. We also have raw cabin chassis available if you need a particular bed on the back, maybe a dump bed, a platform bed, whatever you might need. We have capabilities of all that. Financing is available. Nationwide shipping available as well, and we'd love the opportunity to discuss with you and your team what your needs are and see how we can assist you. There's a lot of incentives out there from Ram that you may qualify for, and we'll dig in and get as much money as we possibly can. Ram definitely values business relationships, and there is different incentives for different types of businesses there. So with that, my name is Michael Sherry. We hope to hear from you soon here at Sherry Ram, and we hope you like this truck. It's pretty sweet.